how you really start a bike. I'm going to show you how to start it the right way. So first you want to get your key and put it in the ignition. Then you want to turn it on. Then you want to make sure it's on, the gear is on neutral. So you do it like 4 or 5 times. Then after that, you wanna go very hard. See, first attempt, and make sure you're not revving it while you're doing it because that will do something. All right, so you ready? Set. All right, so you want to make it warm up a little bit, like keep on revving it a little bit, and after that, put it in first gear. And just ride slowly, and then once you're ready for second gear, you lift it up again. So I'm gonna show you that right now. Second gear. When you want to put it away, guys, you take down this your gear all the way down, like literally all the way down. Then you see your engine stuff. Zoom in on the engine stuff. Now you see this, lift it up, and now you see how the motor is off because you just stopped the engine. Now what you want to do now? Is make sure that the gear is in neutral. Because if it's not, look, see? Because if it's not, wait, let me start it.